So the rock cycle starts out with the magma, and with cooling it can form igneous rocks, and then when those igneous rocks begin to weather and erode, they can make sediments, and then the sediments compact and cement to make sedimentary rocks, and then from that there can be heat and pressure, and then that will make metamorphic rocks. And then if the metamorphic rocks begin to melt, it will go back into magma.
Another way this process can happen is that igneous rocks can be transformed into metamorphic rocks through the process of intense heat, pressure, and or hot fluids. Or it can also be remelted, cooled, or solidified back into another igneous rock. Metamorphic rocks can be weathered and corroded to form sediments that is lithified into sedimentary rocks. They can also be remetamorphosized into a different type of metamorphic rock by intense heat, intense pressure, or hot fluids. And then sedimentary rocks can be melted, cooled, and solidified into an igneous rock, or weathered and eroded back into sediments that is lithified back into another sedimentary rock.
Alright, this here is a sedimentary rock called calcarenite. Its texture is mostly sand-sized shells. Sand-sized seashells or coral fragments with a few bigger sized pieces included. As you can see, the texture, zoom in on the rock, has sand-sized fragments, and it also can kind of be related to a starfish with sea lily patterns, as you see here throughout the rock. It is a bioclastic sedimentary rock that is mostly formed from shell sand.
Alright, this guy is a metamorphic rock, and his name is hornfels. The texture is fine grain, it's non-foliated, and it has a microcrystalline texture. And the composition is dull and dark. It's very hard, and the uses for this guy is a decorative stone.
Alright, this is a porphyritic basalt igneous rock with large and small crystals that were formed from slow then rapid cooling or change in magma viscosity or composition. The chemical composition is mafic with a color of dark gray to black. It has both intrusive and extrusive origin with a texture of femtochrys in an aphanetic ground mass.